Happy morning everyone. So today is Christmas. I'm here in Ooty for a vacation. I'm shooting this video in a resort, so that's why the different background. I thought of creating this, rosy winter makeup kind of a look, and it's also like a get ready with me kind of a look. I'm going to be using only Nykaa's products for this particular look, and it's a one brand tutorial. So yes, without wasting any time, let's get straight into the makeup. Right, so we'll be first starting out with the primer as usual. I have prepped my skin already, so we'll right away start with this Nykaa's Prep Me Up Face Primer. I really like this primer. I've spoken so much about it, and I'm not going to be boring you guys speaking again and again about it. So let's straight away go ahead with the application. So next we'll be going ahead with using this concealer by Nykaa. This is the Nykaa Skin Genius Conceal and Correct palette. Now since this is a one brand tutorial, as I've already mentioned, I will be using all the products of Nykaa. Now this particular concealer palette I usually like using as well. What I'll be doing is I'll be using this particular shade to conceal my eyes. So now that our under eyes is concealed, we will be applying foundation. I'll be going ahead with this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation today. I love this foundation because of its extremely thin consistency, and it also does, give medium coverage. Now, over here, since it's winter, I think this particular foundation is extremely hydrating. So it's a very good foundation to use. Just be taking this, cup my hand in. So now what we'll be doing again is, I'll be taking this particular concealer shade and I will be using it under my eyes just to give the brightening effect. So now what I'll be doing is I'll be setting all of this makeup with a compact powder, for which I'll be using this Nykaa's compact powder. I actually I used to use this a lot when it was launched and I did purchase it. I kind of forgot about it, but now I think I am going to start using it again. This is in the shade Rose Beige. It does come with a mirror as well, so pretty handy. So now we'll be moving on to the eye makeup, for which I'll first be filling in my eyebrows. Now I'll be using my favorite Nykaa's Wow My Brow eyebrow palette. I really like this palette, and I think I've spoken about this in almost so many of my videos. So yeah, let's go ahead and use it. So now that we're done with the eyebrows, we'll be quickly moving on to the eyeshadow, for which I will be using this Just Wink It palette by Nykaa. Now I'm in the shade Crushed Berries. As you can see, this has such beautiful scheme of colors, and I think this is perfect for making a pink rosy kind of a look. So yes, let's dive in. So first I'll be using this particular shade. Then what I'll be doing is I'll be using this particular shade over here. I'm just going to be taking a little bit more of this particular color, and I'm just going to be blending it in my crease to make it look, a little darker. Now since this is a daytime look, I'm not going to go ahead and add any of these shimmery shades over here. I'm just going to leave it as it is, because I really want this kind of less glam, but again a little color to my eyes. So I think this is good for me, but if you want, you could layer up the color and you could make it even more darker or lighter basis your choice. So next what I'll be doing is I'll be using this Nykaa's Get Inked eyeliner. So right after I'm done with the eyeliner, I will actually be going ahead with the kajal. If you want, you can skip kajal for this look, but I love kajal, so I'm going for it anyway. So today I'll be using this Nykaa's Rock the Line kajal. So now what we'll be doing again is we'll be taking this particular shade and we'll just be adding it on the under eye. Since Nykaa does not have any mascara, I'm just going to be using this Maybelline's Colossal Mascara and complete the eye look. Now coming to the most important step of the look, which is the blush. So without a blush, I think your winter makeup can never be complete. I just like this particular color, which is Malibu Barbie by Nykaa, which is what I'm going to be using. Now this particular color, I feel this goes very well with my skin tone, and I think this would look good on anyone around NC35. I think this has to be your go-to blush. Next, we're going to be going ahead with this highlighter, which is Nykaa's Glow Getter highlighter in the shade Moonshine. Now, I want to do like subtle highlighting because this is again a take time look, so we don't want to like add too much highlight, but again then we just want to add a little bit glow to the face. I think I've applied a little too much, but I think it's okay. So next we'll be moving on to the lips, and for the lips I'll first be using this Nykaa's Lip Don't Lie lip liner. This is in the shade Pillow Fight, which is my most favorite shade from their Lips Don't Lie collection. What a beautiful shade. For the lips today, I'm going to be using this Nykaa's Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Gul. So today we'll be adding an additional step on the lips, which will be a lip gloss. And for this, I'm going to be using the Nykaa's, I don't know which variant this is, I'm just going to link it down in the description box. But then this shade is Honey Boo. I really like this lip gloss, but only on like very special occasions. But I think, you know, as it's going to be cold out there, this is going to be providing an additional layer of hydration to my lips. So to set my makeup, since I'm going to be out there the entire day, I'm going to be using this NYX matte finish spray. Now I don't have Nykaa's setting spray. Actually, I don't think Nykaa has a setting spray. So I'm just going to be using this. So this is the finished makeup look. I'm just going to be getting ready, and I'm just going to be showing you the completed look in a while. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you like this look. This was a special winter edition makeup, and I tried creating this soft rosy look, and I hope you know, this helps a couple of you in recreating this look maybe for your winter days. So if you appreciate this video, please do like, share and recommend this video to everybody you know, and do not miss out on subscribing my channel. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell right there, because then you'll be uploaded every time I'm going to be putting up a video. So yeah, let's carry on. Bye.